Chinese officials told the World Health Organization that it had an outbreak of some kind of virus on December 31st. By January 7th, Chinese scientists figured out that the virus was a coronavirus. That's from the same family of virus as SARS, which emerged in China in 2002, and MERS, which infected people in the Middle East in 2012. The next step in understanding the new virus was sequencing its DNA, figuring out the unique order of nucleotides, DNA's building blocks, that make it up. The new coronavirus genome looks like this. It's just under 30,000 bases long. By January 13th, less than a week after it was identified, scientists in Shanghai had mapped out the entire genetic sequence of a virus sample collected from a patient. Compare that with the SARS virus, which started infecting people in November 2002. It took until April 2003 before that virus was sequenced in its entirety. And at this point, we don't just have one genetic sequence for the new coronavirus. Scientists have collected and sequenced nearly 24 samples of the virus, collected from different patients. Researchers say the speed has been unprecedented. A lot of important things become possible once experts have this full sequence of the virus. Twist Bioscience is a biotech company in South San Francisco that builds custom DNA to order. As the coronavirus outbreak progresses, scientists around the world are turning to companies like Twist to build copies of viral genes for urgent study. And they're sending in lots of orders.
We expected that there will be a number of demands for variants of the coronavirus to help in that discovery of drugs, vaccines, and diagnostic kits.
So the more copies of a gene scientists have, the better.
So it's biology. And in biology, it almost never works on the first time. You have to take a lot of shots on goals to get there. We give people the opportunity to...
There's a few things scientists do with this genetic material. It can help create tests to screen patients for the virus. It can help researchers understand how the virus works and what it does to cells in the body. And crucially, it could be used in the development of vaccines. One important note, even though companies like Twist are churning out copies of the coronavirus genome, there's no concern they'll accidentally start an epidemic. They're not actually making the virus.
So we are not creating more virus. We're making fragments of the virus to researchers in order to enable them to find tools to detect it and tools to fight it.